How to disable cookies in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can disable cookies in Google Chrome. So this process is very simple. Firstly, open the Chrome web browser on your device. After it opens, you will need to go to the settings, and in order to access settings, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. When you tap on the three dot icon, this kind of menu will appear. From this menu, select the second last option, Settings. Inside your settings, you will see different options like this. Slightly scroll down and tap on the option Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, at the top, you will see the section called Privacy. Under Privacy, tap on the option Third-Party Cookies. Here, make sure that you select the option Block Third-Party Cookies. Blocking all cookies might prevent some website from working properly. You can block cookies for specific sites or use the incognito mode for limited tracking instead. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.